So how to pay contactless with your phone on Lloyds. So to pay contactless with Lloyds, you're firstly going to need to set up either Apple or Google Pay. So to do that, you're going to want to head over to the Lloyds app and then click on the card section at the bottom here. Then from there, because we're using iPhone right now, it gives us the option to add to Apple Pay right here. But of course, if you perhaps maybe using a Samsung, it should give you the option for Google Pay instead. But again, because we're using iPhone, I'll demonstrate how you can add your card to Apple Pay so you can use it for contactless payments. So you just want to click on Add to Apple Pay. Then it'll bring you through to this page here and you just want to say Add to Apple Wallet. Then it will pull you through to this page here, which will say Add Card to Apple Pay, and you just want to say Next. And then for the next step, it might give you a list of terms and conditions. So just give that a read. And if you're happy to agree, click Agree. And once you've done that, your card should be now added to Apple Pay. So this means you can go ahead and start using it. But you'll also get the opportunity to add it as your default card. So if you want to do that, you can say use as default card right here. And then once you've done that, you'll get this screen here, which says it's all done. So if you open up your Apple Wallet, you should see your Lloyds card right here. And it's as simple as that. And you can go ahead and start using your Lloyds card for contactless payments on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.